Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to tell you about what is effect, what is asset, how many type it has, and talking about account. What is effect, which is very important? It is anything which is coming in and going out from an organization, and in term of money is called effect. After that, what is account? Account is a device which show increase and decrease of particular transaction, and it divided in two part, which is the first one is real account and normal account. So what is the real account? For example, asset, capital, and a liability. And the second one is it is normal account. What is normal account? Normal account or those account which then in the first step of accounting, like it will never go in the next step of accounting, like liability go, asset go, and capital go. After that, which is the most important lesson of all the time, it is asset. What is asset? Asset, anything which has in term of money, anything which controlled by you, anything expected profit or lose future operation. Example is cash, bank. Like think for an example, yes, you see, like everything becomes asset: phone, computer, jacket, iPad, car, motorcycle, motorbike, bicycle, and everything's become asset. For an example, cash, it controlled by us, it has profit and expected profit, maybe in future, maybe in present, and it has in term of money because it's itself, it is cash, is money. So the second one is furniture. What is furniture? Like furniture, a couch, yeah, furniture, it controlled by you, it has in term of money, like it's valuable and it has become profitable for us, like we can expected money from it, maybe in present, maybe in future. So after that, accounting acceptable is also can be a asset, and not receivable, which is NR, the contraction is NR. Merchandising and outstanding revenue with prepaid expense. These are the example of asset. So we know about asset, like account receivable. It has one other name which is called debtor, which is the second name of account receivable is debtor, and the definition is to whom we sold goods on credit. That's called account receivable. So what is NR, which the contraction was NR, but in reality the full word it is not receivable. So not receivable is a valuable paper which purchased from some entity for a particular period of time. Like I will give you 100,000, or maybe 100, or maybe $1,000. So whenever I give you that much money, will I give you that much money and tells you send that money for me tomorrow with nothing? So I have to give you and give you a sign, give your name, give your accounting information, give you like I will give from you everything, every your information about your business, about your own company, about yourself, and about your cash, about your asset, about your capital. Everything will be right on that note. That because that's why it called not receivable. So that's so valuable for the person who gave the borrow or create merchandise. What is merchandise? Anything we purchase for resale purposes. Like I just get this wallet, yeah, this wallet. So I get this wallet for over $2 and I want to sell it, resell it. That's called merchandising, and I will take my benefit because I spend money on it. So when I want to sell it, I have to get my own money back with the benefit. It has three names: inventory, stock, and goods. So after that, what is the type of asset? Asset divided in two parts, which is current asset and fixed asset. Current asset, those assets which can be cash or converted to cash within 1 year. So you have to make that money which is in bank, you have to make that for yourself, like in a cash. Example, it's on self cash, bank, and account receivable is also became current asset. What is fixed asset? Fixed asset, those assets which are remaining for over 2 year, for maybe 4 year, maybe 8 year. Like a pen can be asset, but not all the time. But computer became the asset, phone became the asset, and iPad became asset, and everything became asset for yourself that you control it, and it has in term of money and expected profit in the future or present. So thank you to watch this video until now. If you have any problem, if you have any question, comment below and I will answer it, inshallah. See you in next video.